Bitcoin has pumped. Have we found a bottom? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Da Vinci. I'm in the pipe 5x5. Today, as you know, Bitcoin pumped, and yeah, look at this. Yeah, we're up from that trade that we made yesterday. That I told you guys. Yeah, there you go. And you know, it was like came back right at you if you opened up that trade, and then you were like, yeah, boom, boom, and then boom. It just like it was brutal, man, scary. Like let's just go down to the hourly. You can see it was the long ride down, and I was thinking when I saw this like yesterday, I was thinking I should get some, and I was like, oh, I'm too busy because this looks like a fake out. And I was like busy with other things, and yeah, you know, what was it, 2 a.m? Yeah, that's right. Because I was busy working on something else, something stupid, like how to transfer files from one place to another, called syncing software. But that's another story. Anyways, so I missed that trade. I missed that. I could have gotten a little bit more there, but anyways, I missed it. Moving on, you can see that Solana, right? We're coming back, right? Not so good here. Let's see here. It's got to break. If it wants to break higher, it's got to break this downtrend here. And there's no breaking it just yet. So it's early days. So let's see here. There's a clear parallel trend, actually. Look at that. Once we break that this downtrend, we could probably see Solana take off and probably take us all the way up. All the way up. Really, the target is, you know, the $238 mark for that, but you know it's going to continue, right? This is going to continue for a while, so we can hold this all the way to the 256 level. Okay. Hey, I need to disturb you for a second because I'm going to be doing a course on how to buy Bitcoin, how to use Bitcoin, how to use a wallet, how to use a hardware wallet, how to basically store Bitcoin for the long term. We all know that it's going to be the money. You need to have this. Very happy to help you guys. Looking at the dominance before we jump into the Ethereum, you can see dominance is backing off, it's jumping back up, but it's a little too late. Too little, too late. Yeah, this is just a correction, so we're probably just going to see the dominance continue to fall, probably all the way to 54% is the likely target. Looking at, yes, that means alt season is probably around the corner. Looking at Ethereum, it is holding the line. It's trying to break a higher, and let's see if it actually breaks down or breaks higher. It touched the 200 period moving average in the 4 hour. Won't be surprised if we, you know what, if we add VPVR, yeah, there we go, that we actually end up staying around here for a while in this area. And then, you know, maybe looking below it a little bit, coming down to the 3,900-ish area, and then coming back up, and then, you know, just really sticking around here for quite some time before we actually proceed higher, right? So it's clear that this hole might get filled right here. So don't be surprised if that get filled in over time before we actually go a lot higher. Okay, Bitcoin futures, yes, there's a gap still waiting up higher. So that's why, you know, you want to look for longs, but be careful, right? Because we could end up all the way down to almost 100K. So make sure you trade with caution. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.